Have you ever had one of those light bulb moments, a brilliant trading idea, but then you hit a wall because you have no idea how to actually turn it into an automated strategy? Well, today, we're going to talk about how to bridge that exact gap and how you can build a system that trades for you 24/7.
You've probably spent countless hours, maybe even years, studying the markets. You've developed a solid strategy, you've found that unique edge you know works. But here's the roadblock, right? You're a trader, not a coder. And honestly, that's where most great trading ideas just stop. Just imagine your strategy working for you around the clock, executing trades perfectly without any fear, without any greed, just pure cold logic. Now that is the real power of automation. But as I'm sure many of you know, getting there can be a massive challenge.
Let's just call it what it is, the trader's automation problem. It's that incredibly frustrating gap between having a winning strategy in your head and having a working, profitable system running on your screen.
And this right here really gets to the heart of it. You might not be a pro at PineScript for TradingView or MQL for MetaTrader. Or maybe you've tried hiring a developer, and let's be real, finding a reliable one can feel like a total nightmare. Then you hit all the technical walls, like making sure your signals are non-repainting, which is just a fancy way of saying they don't change after a candle closes and give you a false, inaccurate picture. It's a lot to handle, and it often feels like you need to hire 3 different people just to get one project done.
So we've laid out the problem pretty clearly, but what if the solution wasn't some complicated piece of software, but an expert guide who could help you navigate all these challenges? So let me introduce you to Jayadev Rana. Okay, let's just run through his credentials real quick, because they are seriously impressive. We're talking more than 8 years of deep experience in the world of algorithmic trading. He's been building systems since 2017. This isn't just a hobby, it's proven, established expertise.
Now check out this number, over 7,700. That's how many unique strategies he's brought to life for traders all over the world. That is a massive amount of real-world experience, dealing with pretty much every market condition you can imagine.
And this isn't just a local thing. This is a truly global operation, with clients in over 14 countries. He's worked with everyone from individual retail traders just dipping their toes into automation, all the way up to sophisticated hedge funds. His expertise is trusted right across the board.
But, it's not just about experience. It's about verified expertise. Being a TradingView certified PineScript developer, that is a huge deal. It's a direct stamp of approval from the platform itself, recognizing his mastery of their code.
So how does all this expertise actually come together for you? Well, it's not just about writing some code. Think of it as a complete toolkit designed to take you from your initial idea to a fully functioning trading system as smoothly as possible.
And the whole process is a really clear 4-step journey. It all starts with precision coding and some really rigorous backtesting. Then it moves to deployment and integration with your broker. And it finishes with long-term support. It's a true all-in-one solution, which means you're not left trying to juggle multiple freelancers for one single project. And this table gives you a snapshot of the sheer range of services. Whether you need custom PineScript for TradingView, or an expert advisor, an EA for MetaTrader, or even complex API integration with major brokers like Binance, Interactive Brokers, or Zerodha, it's all handled right here.
Okay. So the numbers and the services are definitely impressive, but what about the actual results? I think it's time we hear directly from traders who have already worked with Jayadev.
Take Mark, for example, a Forex trader from the UK. He saw a 20% improvement in his backtest results compared to his own manual trading, with flawless execution. Now that's a direct, tangible result you can actually measure.
Or look at the crypto market, which is incredibly fast-paced. Loya needed a low-latency scalper for Binance. The result? A non-repainting script that's been running profitably for 8 months straight. That is quality and reliability in action, right there.
And it's not just for retail traders. Get this. A hedge fund hired him for a really high-stakes project to clone a proprietary indicator, and he delivered an enhanced version in just 3 days. That's institutional-level skill and speed.
And this endorsement from Dhruv Rathi, who's a huge name in the trading community, really says it all. He is the #1 developer in India in this field. Where others give up, Jayadev delivers. Wow, that is a powerful statement.
So you've seen the problem, you've seen the solution, and it's all backed up by real-world proof. The only question left is, how do you get started on building your own automated strategy?
So, if you're ready to build your custom solution, you're not just getting code, you're getting lifetime support and a system that's tailored specifically to your unique trading style. All you have to do is just reach out for a direct consultation. The contact details are right there on your screen.
And we'll just leave you with this final thought. The markets are always moving. They never sleep. The real question is your strategy keeping up? If not, maybe it's time to build one that does.